Very good morning, children. Welcome to the today class. So today we are going to discuss about 13th sum and 14th sum from exercise 9.1. Children, tomorrow we are going to complete this lesson. So here 13th sum, as observed from the top of a 75 meters high lighthouse from the sea level. The angles of depression of two ships are 30 degrees and 45 degrees. If one ship is exactly behind the other on the same side of the lighthouse, find the distance between the two ships. Here it is children, the angles of depression of two ships. This is the height of the lighthouse, 75 meters lighthouse. Angles of depression means from the, I have told you what is that angles of depression means. From top to bottom we have to see that. From the height of lighthouse, from the 75 meters height of lighthouse, they are observing the two ships. This is ship 1 and 2. From here to they are observing. That's why the first one it is 30 degrees and the second one it is 60 degrees. We have to write like this. Angles of depression, this is from the sea level, this is the sea level. The angles of depression of two ships are 30 degrees and 45 degrees. Angles of depression means where is the observer now? The observer is at B. From there to is observing the two ships. The two ships they are coming towards the lighthouse. This is the height of lighthouse. From the top of the lighthouse they are observing the two ships. The two ships they are coming. The two ships are coming towards the lighthouse. So here it is. The angles of depression of two ships are 30 degrees and 45 degrees. This is 30 degrees and 45 degrees. If one ship is exactly behind the other, it is given one ship is exactly behind the other on the same side of the lighthouse. This is the lighthouse, the same side of the lighthouse. One ship is exactly behind the other on the same side of the lighthouse. So find the distance between the two ships. Where is that? This is the C and D are the positions of the two ships. This is C, D value we have to find it. So when we are coming to the solution, AB is the height of a lighthouse. This is the A and B children. AB is the A and B is the height of the lighthouse. Therefore, that is given already. Height of the lighthouse is given 75 meters. That is AB equals to 75 meters. Here C and D are the positions of two ships. C and D. So they are one behind the other, the two ships also. Here now let CD equal to X. So we have to find out the CD answer it is. So otherwise if you don't want you can no need to write this is also there. Just CD we have to find out. Right? CD we have to find out. Now angles I am writing, this is ACB angle equals to, that is ACB equals to XBC. You have to write here once again. ACB, that y means from here XBC, that is. This is equal to XBC equal to y means it is the alternative interior angle. These two are the parallel. This is the transversal. Y means angle of depression. Angle of depression means from the top to bottom we have to see the observer is higher level than the object. That is called angle of depression. So next one more it is, this is equal to, second one is equals to, what is this one? ADB. Where is ADB? ADB equals to XBD, that is XB. So these are the two angles. Now I am taking from triangle CAD. Where is the CAD triangle? CAD, one right angle triangle. CAD, that is angle 30 degrees. So when we are coming to the 30 degrees, here now from triangle CAD, what is the CAD? CAD triangle, 30 degrees. Tan 30 degrees equals to opposite side of the 30 degrees by side is 30 degrees. That means AB by AC. AB by AC. Tan 30 value 1 by 4. AB value 70, height of the lighthouse. AC means AC we have to just, we are going to find out the AC. Therefore, A cross multiplication AC into 1 equal to AC equals to 75 into root 3. 75 root 3. That is the first equation from triangle. That is a CAD triangle. One more right angle triangle we have. So what is that? That is a here DADB triangle. From triangle ADB. Where is that? ADB triangle. From triangle ADB, here it is a tan 45. Tan 45 is opposite side by side and center 45. Then AB by AD. AB by AD. Tan 45 children, how much it is? 1. Very good. So tan 45 equals to 1. AB by AD. AB value 75 and AD value. So AD equals to here, AD into 1 equals to AD. AD equals to 75 minutes. This is the equation 1 and the equation 2. Sir, what we are going to find out? So we are going to find out the CD distance. What is the CD distance? Find the distance between two ships. Between the two ships. When we are going to find out the distance between the two, where is the two ships? C and D are given on the C and D are the positions of two ships. Here is the CD length we have to. CD, how can we find out CD? Distance between two ships. CD equals to, tell me CD how you are going to find out? AC minus AD. AC minus AD. Total minus AD we have to subtract, and CD distance we are going to get. AC minus AD. Here AC is there 75 from first equation, and AD is there 75 from the second equation. 75 root 3 minus 75 equals 75 common, therefore root 3 minus 1 meters. Therefore, distance between two ships equals, that is CD equals to 75 into root 3 minus 1 meters. So this is the 13th problem. When we are coming to the 14th problem, a 1.2 meter tall girl. Where is the tall girl? Here. This is the ground level, children. This is the ground level. The girl is standing here. The height of girl is 1.2 meter. 1.2 meters. A 1.2 meter tall girl spots a balloon moving with the wind in a horizontal line at a height of 82.2 meters from the ground. So this is the height of the girl is 1.2 meters. This is the ground level, and height of the balloon it is given. What is the height of the balloon? 82.2 meters height. The balloon is just now moving from here. This is the height of the girl, and from here this is the height of the balloon. The height of the balloon means C equals to AB. This is the 82 means from the ground level. It is the 82.2 meters from here. Here to here. The total height is 82.2 meters. 82.2 meters. Now, for this, the angle of elevation of the balloon from the eyes of the girl at an instant is 60 degrees. The first one, instant means at any instant is, first one is 60 degrees. Here they are given clearly. The first one is the girl is here. Just now she is carrying the balloon with the rope, right? But the thread is carrying, the balloon is the height from the ground level is 82.8 meters, and the height of the girl is 1.2. The 1.2 we have to subtract from 88.2 after then here I will explain. So here the angle of elevations are 60 degrees at any instant, first one. After some time, so first they observe here, the girl is here only, see just now she is then just now it is there, spots the balloon at the 60 degrees. After some time, the angle of elevation reduces 30 degrees. Reduce 30 degrees means this is. The balloon is going some distance. Just is going to release that thread. No, the balloon is moving from one place to another place. The first place decrease the 60 degrees. Next, after some time, the place of the balloon is reduced. The angle is going to be reduced. It is passing from one place to another place. So that is, the angle is reducing after some time. So this is, we have to find out what is that? Find the distance traveled by balloon during the interval means CD we have to find from here to. So that we have to find. From where is the first position of that one? This is the C. And the last position is the N. CA we have to find the distance traveled by the balloon between interval time, during the interval time. So height of it was 1.2 meters. Height of the balloon from the ground level 82.2 meters. Actual height, that is, actual height means after the girl height we have to subtract from the height of the balloon, total height of the balloon. What is the total height of the balloon? 88.2. The height of the girl is 1.2 meters. That is, we have, that is actual height. Actual height equals CE. CE equals here CE and here is the AB. CEAB equals to 88.2 is the height of the actual balloon and 1.2 is the height of the girl. Therefore, 82.2 minus 1.2 means 87 meters. This is. So here two angles are there. That is a CDE angle equal to 60 degrees. One more it is. Therefore, ADB, right angle angles. balloon, that we have to find out. From here to here, the balloon is moving during the interval time, that we have to find out. So here children, from triangle DCE, where is the DCE? This is the DCE, right angle triangle. What is the angle? 60 degrees. Therefore, tan 60 equals to 60 degrees opposite side CE by adjacent side CE. CE by CE, tan 60 value root 3 children. CE value, here I have told you that, here CE. CE means total height of the balloon minus girl height. 82.2 minus 1.2 is 87. 87 by DC, this is the first one. Therefore, from this one DC equals to 87 by root 3, cross multiplication. DC value we are going to find out 87 by root 3, and that is the first one. When we are coming one more right angle triangle, that is the name of DAC. DAC. What is the angle? This is angle 30 degrees. Tan 30 degrees. Tan 30 degrees by opposite side by etc. That means AB by AB. AB by AB. Tan 31 by root 3. AB value 87. Here AB, CE both are equal. Here this given AB equals CE 87. 87 by AD value we have. This is AD. Therefore, AD into 1 equal to AD. 87 into root 3 equal to 87 root 3. So, what we have to find? CA we have to find. What is CA? CA is the distance traveled by balloon during the interval. See here the balloon position. First balloon position is here. After some time the balloon is here. That means how much distance traveled by the balloon during the interval time. So that means CA we have to CA. How can you find out CA equals to therefore distance traveled by balloon CA equals to CA which is equal. CA means AD minus DC. AD value how much it is here? Second equation. This is second equation. AD equal to 87 root 3 minus DC equal to 87 by root 3. Therefore 87 comma root 3. Root 3 minus 1 by root 3. Root 3 minus 1 by root 3. Root 3 into root 3 children. 3. 3 minus 1 by root 3. 3 minus 1 means 2 by root 3. Root 3 rationalization root 3 by root 3. Therefore 87 into 2 into root 3 by root 3 into root 3 means again 3. 3 ones are 3 29 is 87. Therefore 29 into 2 58 root 3 meters. That is distance traveled by the balloon during the interval time. So these are the two sums. So the remaining two sums we will continue in the next class tomorrow. Tomorrow as usual we will upload the classes tomorrow. So the homework and all assignment will meet in the WhatsApp group. Thank you. Have a nice day.